Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name's Darren, and yeah, this is my YouTube channel, all about creativity. All about creativity and inspiring and challenging you guys to create more and just keep making stuff. And yeah, this one's an episode of CC Edit Lab, edit with me. So editing someone's raw image, just a cool challenge. You can join in if you'd like. You can find the link to the Discord server where this image will be within the server, where you can download it and edit along with me, or edit it yourself and share it on the group. It will be pretty cool. Also, if you can hear, I'm a little bit stuffy and feeling a bit under the weather. I recently got COVID, so pretty sucky, and it's been rough. Been out of it for 2 days now, but I am feeling a bit better than yesterday, so thankful for that. So anyway, let's get at it. So I've got Lightroom open on the iPad, and yeah, it's Alice, submission from Alis Lud. Sorry Alice if I'm getting your name or surname wrong. She's a pretty cool photographer here in Hangzhou, China, part of our photography group, and she shared this image with us. A really cool contrasty portrait. So yeah, I'm gonna take a stab at it. So okay, this is the standard raw file, so I'm gonna see what I can do from here. So first things first, remove chromatic aberration, enable lens corrections. You'll see that, I mean, you won't even really notice it before doing it, but once you've done it, the lens correction does help just flatten out the image correctly. So there, that's always what I do first. And then the background is actually exposed. You can see it's got a hot spot behind the subject, and then it tails off the color. So obviously I think a light source, background light, was over here facing up. So what I'm going to do is just up the overall exposure just to get a little bit more on the subject, and just increase the contrast a touch. And you'll notice that that only affects the subject because the background is a solid color. And then I'm going to open up the blacks a little bit and reduce the whites. Here we've got some highlights on the subject, but I'm going to deal with that in the masks. And then okay, yeah, I'm going to use my curve. I'm going to drop this a little bit and bring this up, and give it a bit of a grungy look to it. Yeah, I think that looks cool. I'm just going to drop the highlights here a touch, and cool. I want to just try and remove some of the red. Okay, that's from the highlights, so let's remove reds. Just cut out the reds a little bit. Okay, and then what I want to do here is I want to create a mask. Select subject, and then I'm just going to add to the mask with the brush tool, because the hair is not all in there. So I'm just going to make sure that the hair is in this mask. Okay, and then I'm going to invert. No. Select this mask, and now I've actually gone and messed it up, so I wanted to invert it. There we go, invert. So what I want to do here is I want to remove the color from the background. Okay, what I'm going to do here is just fix the mask, because we've got, this is really cool about the Apple Pencil on the iPad, is how you can just Oh no, I don't want to add, yes, I've inverted the mask, sorry. Yeah, we just want to get rid of this a little bit. Just get rid of that colour. It's obviously very noticeable. So just want to get rid of it. No, erase. Cool. Oh, we still got a bit of red there though, which I'm not so keen on. So what I'm going to do is just remove that with another brush. I'm going to zoom in here, just go over it. And I mean it doesn't, but we're just going to be removing the saturation so I can colour over all the spots that have a bit of red in. So that's what I'm wanting to get rid of, is the red. Just wanting to get rid of the saturation in the hair, so that it looks a little bit more realistic. Okay, we got some burning here on the edge. This. Cool, so now colour, reduce that saturation. Here in the hair too. There we go, so much better. Just a little bit there. Uh-oh. Shook. Cool, done. So with the background just set to like a grey, now I can add another mask, and this time really select the subject and add to the mask with a brush. Just add the hair a little bit. Although these bits of hair, it's not all that important to add, so we want to just increase the exposure here. Remove the contrast because I've added contrast in with a curve. And I want to drop those highlights and just touch the shadows a little bit, the blacks, colour, increase the saturation but not all that much, and the light balance I want to change. There we go. Just try to get a bit away from yellow, and I want to reduce some texture and open up, no, reduce clarity. And I also, actually, sorry, I think I'm going to reduce saturation here a touch. No. There we go. I want to keep it very toned down. I don't want it to be too in your face. I think that looks really cool. We've got a bit of red here, so what I'm going to do now is just going to colour. I'm going to up the vibrancy. So the colours that are there will pop, but I'm going to decrease the saturation a little bit, and I'm going to remove the tint. It's a bit too green. There we go. Let's go to colour mix. Okay, so I want the reds to just be very, very subtle. And just play with the luminance a little bit here. And there's a little bit of orange in the face, so I want to bring that down. There we go. And I actually think this is really cool as it is. I think I might just leave it like that. Oh, okay. Only notice this now, but I've got 2 hot spots of red on the dress there, but that'll be easy enough to fix. So and just go mask, brush, and just brush there and there, and remove the saturation. Done. Actually, I'm thinking this looks really cool. I think I might just give it more of a matte feel. Just darken those midtones, even them out a little bit, and the highlights. Yeah, and we're done. That's the image, I think. Looking really cool. Thank you, Alice, for submitting. Be sure to, if you want to submit one of your own files, join the Discord server and submit your edit or your own raw image in the group. That would be really cool. And yeah, I'm going to be sharing. I've got all Alice's links in the description below, so be sure to follow her, check out her edit of this image, and just keep making stuff. Thanks guys, thanks for watching, I appreciate it.